Hey everyone, Pola_1J here. Welcome back to the channel where we make tech work for you, not the other way around. If you've ever felt like your computer could be running faster, or that you're spending too much time on simple tasks, you're definitely not alone. Today I'm excited to share some powerful tips that can help you get the most out of Windows 11. We're diving deep into Windows 11 shortcuts. These are the hidden gems that can seriously boost your productivity and make your daily computer use feel effortless. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing, these shortcuts are designed to save you time and energy. Did you know that most of us waste countless minutes every day just clicking through endless menus and searching for the right options? But with the right shortcuts, you can reclaim up to 40 minutes a day. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time. And here's the best part. These aren't just for tech experts or power users. They're practical, everyday tools that anyone can use, no matter your skill level. If you can use a keyboard, you can master these shortcuts. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 essential Windows 11 shortcuts that will completely transform your workflow. These are the shortcuts I use every single day, and I promise, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. We'll cover everything from workspace management and multitasking to communication, troubleshooting, and even a few bonus tips to help you get more done in less time. These are shortcuts you'll find yourself using every single day, not just once in a while. They're designed to make your workflow smoother, faster, and a lot more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to make your Windows experience faster, smoother, and way more efficient, you're in the right place. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of speed and convenience on your PC. Let's jump in and unlock your PC's hidden speed together. Your productivity is about to get a major upgrade. First up, communication. In today's fast-paced digital world, how we express ourselves online matters more than ever. Whether you're sending a quick message to a colleague, replying to an email, or chatting with friends, adding a little personality can make all the difference. That's where the Win plus semicolon shortcut comes in. Or if you prefer, you can use Win plus period. They both do the trick. This simple combo opens up the emoji panel, but it's so much more than just a way to add smiley faces. With a single keystroke, you instantly unlock a world of expressive options. Emojis, GIFs, and even Kaiomoji. No more wasting time searching for the perfect reaction online or copying and pasting from random websites. The panel is thoughtfully organized and super easy to navigate. There's a handy search bar so you can find exactly what you need in seconds. Plus, it remembers your most used emojis and GIFs, so your favorites are always just a click away. Need to add a GIF for that perfect reaction? Just hit the shortcut, type a keyword, and browse a curated list of GIFs. No browser tabs, no extra steps. It's all right there, built into Windows 11, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. And if you want to get creative, check out the Kaiomoji and symbol tabs. Kaiomoji are those fun, expressive text faces like warp or degdeg plus, bolas, and symbols let you add everything from currency signs to math symbols, perfect for spicing up your messages or documents. Best of all, this shortcut works in almost any text field you can think of. Emails, chat apps, documents, even when you're naming files or folders. It's a universal tool for making your communication stand out. It's about making your digital conversations more expressive, more human, and a lot more fun, without ever breaking your workflow or losing your train of thought. So next time you want to add a little personality, humor, or emotion to your message, just remember, Win plus semicolon is your secret weapon. It's a tiny shortcut, but it can have a huge impact on how you connect with others. A well-placed emoji or GIF can lighten the mood, clarify your intent, or simply make someone smile. Give it a try. You might be surprised at how often you reach for it, and how much more engaging your messages become. Now that you know this powerful shortcut, let's move on to our next time-saving Windows tip. Have you ever copied text from a website or document, only to find that, when you paste it, the formatting is a total mess? Maybe the fonts are all over the place, the colors don't match, or there are random links and backgrounds you never wanted. It's a common frustration, especially if you work with a lot of documents or emails. Here's your secret weapon. Ctrl Shift V. This shortcut is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their work neat and tidy. Unlike the regular paste command, which brings along all the unwanted formatting, Ctrl Shift V pastes your text as plain, unformatted text. That means no more weird fonts, strange colors, or unexpected hyperlinks cluttering up your work. This is especially useful for emails, reports, or any document where you want everything to look clean, consistent, and professional. You can focus on your message, not on fixing formatting errors. Think about all the time you've spent manually reformatting pasted text, removing bold, changing font sizes, or fixing colors. With this shortcut you can skip all that hassle and get straight to the important work. Ctrl Shift V works in most web browsers, Google Docs, and many other apps. If you ever find it doesn't work, just look for the Paste as Plain Text option in the app's menu. It's usually there as a backup. Making this shortcut a habit can save you several minutes every single day. Over time, that adds up to hours of saved effort and a much more professional-looking result. Next time you're copying from a colorful website, a PDF, or any other source, remember to use Ctrl Shift V. It's the fastest way to keep your documents looking sharp and organized, no matter where your text comes from. It's a small shortcut, but it makes a huge difference in your workflow. You'll notice how much smoother and more efficient your work becomes. Clean, fast, and frustration-free. So, make Ctrl Shift V your go-to move for clean pasting. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. On to the next shortcut. Feeling overwhelmed by open windows? Win plus Ctrl D creates a fresh virtual desktop instantly. Think of it as a new workspace. Separate your projects, personal browsing, or side hustles with ease. Each desktop is a clean slate, helping you focus and reduce distractions. Switch between desktops to keep tasks organized and your mind clear. It's perfect for presentations too. Share a clutter-free screen in seconds. No more hunting for windows or minimizing everything. Use a few well-organized desktops for maximum efficiency. Combine this with desktop switching shortcuts for seamless multitasking. Start using virtual desktops and watch your productivity soar. Let's keep going. Need special symbols for documents? Win plus period or semicolon isn't just for emojis, it's your shortcut to symbols too. Access copyright, trademark, currency, math symbols, and more. No more searching online or digging through menus. The panel is organized by category, making it easy to find what you need fast. Recently used symbols appear for quick access next time. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone needing precise notation. Add clarity and professionalism to your work with just a keystroke. Explore the Symbols tab and save time on every document. Another hidden Windows tool, right at your fingertips. Mouse not working? Shift plus F10 is your keyboard's right click. Select any item, file, text, link, and press Shift plus F10 to open the context menu. It's a lifesaver for accessibility, troubleshooting, or when your mouse fails. Navigate menus with arrow keys and perform actions without touching the mouse. Even if your mouse works, this can be faster for keyboard-heavy workflows. Some keyboards have a menu key, but Shift plus F10 works everywhere. Remember this shortcut for emergencies or just faster navigation. It's a classic Windows tool that keeps you in control. Let's check out the next shortcut. Need to record your screen fast? Win plus Alt plus R starts and stops screen recording instantly. No extra software needed. It uses the built-in Xbox game bar, saving your video in the Captures folder. Perfect for quick tutorials, bug reports, or capturing game highlights. No setup, no fuss, just hit the shortcut and you're recording. Press again to stop, and your video is ready to share. For more options, open the full game bar with Win plus G. Great quality for most needs, and always ready when you are. Next time you need a screen recording, skip the downloads. Just use this shortcut. Let's keep the momentum going. Created multiple virtual desktops, Ctrl+, Win plus right or left arrow lets you switch between them instantly. No more minimizing or searching, just flick between workspaces with a keystroke. It's like flipping channels but for your projects and tasks, especially useful on single monitors for keeping work and personal tasks separate. Rapid switching keeps you focused and organized. Virtual desktops become truly powerful when you can move between them effortlessly. Master these shortcuts for next-level multitasking. Let's see what's next. Give your fingers a break. Win plus H launches Windows 11's voice dictation. Speak and your words appear wherever your cursor is. Word, email, chat, you name it. It's fast, accurate, and supports basic punctuation commands. Great for drafting long texts, brainstorming, or hands-free replies. Works best with a clear voice and a decent mic, but most laptops are good enough. Try it for accessibility or just to speed up your workflow. Voice typing is a game changer. Give it a shot. On to our next shortcut. Screen frozen or flickering? Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B restarts your graphics driver. No reboot needed. You'll hear a beep and your screen will refresh, often fixing display glitches instantly. It's a lifesaver for gamers and anyone facing sudden black screens or freezes. Not a cure-all, but a quick fix for many common issues. Use it before resorting to a full restart. You might save your work. Add this to your troubleshooting toolkit. It's a powerful, little-known shortcut for quick recovery. Let's wrap up with one more tool. Need to zoom in on your screen? Win plus plus zooms in, Win plus minus zooms out, activating the Windows magnifier. Great for presentations, accessibility, or inspecting tiny details. The magnifier follows your mouse, making it easy to highlight or read small text. Press repeatedly to adjust zoom, and exit with Win plus escape. Choose full screen, lens, or docked views for different needs. Perfect for anyone, presenters, low-vision users, or detail-oriented work. No more squinting or struggling with app-specific zoom. System-wide, instant, and always available. Another built-in tool to make your digital life easier. That's it. 10 Windows 11 shortcuts to supercharge your day. Start with 1 or 2, build them into your routine, and watch your productivity skyrocket. Try Win plus H right now. Dictate a sentence and share your results in the comments. First 50 to comment, get a free PDF guide with all these shortcuts and more. Which shortcut are you most excited to try? Let me know below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite shortcut. See you in the next one.